Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone won't turn on issue in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're using Galaxy S23 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your phone is not turning on, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have enough battery or enough charging in your phone, because sometimes it might be that if your phone don't have any charged battery, so you might get this type issue. So I recommend you have to use the original Samsung charger and charging cable. You have to make sure that your charging cable or your charger is working, and then you have to plug in or insert the charger in your phone. That also make sure that your charging port is completely clean and is not physically damaged. Then you have to insert the charger in your phone. And once your phone is charging, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button to make a forced restart, not only a simple startup or a simple power on. You just have to make a forced restart to your phone. So just press and hold the volume down and the power button. So it might take a few seconds. You might see a Samsung logo and then just release the button there. You can also do the same thing when your phone is turning on. You have to press and hold the volume down and the power button. Your phone screen will completely goes black. Your phone will not turn on. It will forcefully restart from here. Now once you will again see the Samsung logo here. And once you see the Samsung logo again, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it's restart. At this time, you might not get an issue like that. Just wait for it. It will make a forced restart, which might take longer than usual. So you just have to wait for it. So here you can see that my phone is not turning on, and your phone will also be turned on. But if you're still getting the same issue, so I recommend you have to check out your battery, that your battery is not dead or is not dead here, because sometimes it might be that your battery is not working, so your phone will not turn on. So you can also try to plug out your battery if your battery is not the linked battery of your phone. So you can try to plug it out or insert out, clean battery, and then reinsert in your phone. So it might also help you to fix out your issue. Or you can also try to change your charger or your charging cable, because sometimes it might happen that the charger is not working, so your phone might not turn on. So in this way, you can easily fix out your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.